How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going up to an apartment today and we gotta take a look at a plugged toilet. Let's see what we find today. It's a plumber. How you doing? You guys got a plugged toilet?
What?
You got a plugged toilet?
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's see what we're looking at.
I don't think it's too bad. I think it was a couple of tea bags.
A couple of tea bags? You're not supposed to flush tea bags. I'm bugging you. I'm gonna go in and close the door, okay?
Absolutely.
Alright, thanks a lot, guys. Use the auger. One more flush. All right, so there you go. Not too bad. Nice, easy one. Until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna. What's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going to an apartment today. We got to take a look at a plugged bathtub. And I believe it's backing up when they run their kitchen sink. So let's see what we find. How you doing? You got some problems with your bathroom?
Yes.
Okay, so it's a bathtub?
It is bathtub. The main drain looks like clogged
Okay.
under the bathtub. So if you open this tap,
Open this, it comes up here.
there's a thing from the kitchen.
Or you open the kitchen, it comes up here as well?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. You got power right there. I'm gonna close the door because I'm gonna take down my mask, okay? Thank you. Alright. It's not very good. It's just a Phillips screw, star point. So we're going to be using the K39. K39. This is going to be a fairly quick one. Nothing came back. Just gonna do a little cleanup. crazy how low that water pressure is on the cold water. It's probably galvanized pipe. They probably got to change it out. As you can see, I got the, so shut that water off. Very low pressure, even in the sink. So yeah, you know it's gonna be galvanized pipe. So anyway, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Thanks for watching, guys. Ta-ra. How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going to an apartment today and we're gonna show you how to clear a bathroom sink that isn't draining. So we're gonna try our little plunger first, see if that works. If not, we'll remove the P-trap and see if there's anything stuck in there. And last case scenario, we'll snake the line. Let's see what we find. How you doing?
Yeah.
You guys got a plug sink?
Sink issue, yeah.
Okay. Bathroom sink, yeah?
Bathroom sink.
Okay.
Just a minute. One minute. Let me take this away.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna close this door, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Grab some toilet paper, grab a plunger, always cover the overflow. Just like that. So, step 1, take toilet paper, cover the overflow. Step 2, run the sink to let it back up. Step 3, plunge it, little burst of power will get it going, usually all the time. So we're just going to fill it up to the overflow, make sure everything's running good there. See the water draining there. Shut the water off. And that's what we want to see. So I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.